What's up guys, welcome back. This week I've been working on the fan shroud. If you guys remember the last video on the cold start, the fan was making a bell or a chime noise. And I found out that the fan shroud bolts were loose, so I went ahead and tightened those. I'm hoping that fixed it, but I also went ahead and got a new pulley. I already put the backing on there and a new belt. So hopefully that'll stop all the fan noises coming out of the fan shroud. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so there it is. It's the CB Performance Pro Billet pulley kit and the Mojave Green fan belt. This fan belt is actually pretty good for high RPM, which this little 1600 is always going high RPMs. And this was just a little aesthetic upgrade. So let's see if me tightening up the fan shroud bolts and changing the belt did something. If you guys saw earlier, I kept spinning this just to make sure it didn't hit anything. So let's start this thing. So it still made the noise, but not as bad. I'm actually pretty happy on this new pulley. Sweet. Let's take this thing to the car wash.
Later.
Alright guys, so I took this thing to the car wash. My boy Troy's gonna go ahead and take some photos of it across town. And let's cruise out there.